morning students, today just we will start a practicals from organic chemistry. Already we had completed glycerol, formaldehyde and one more organic compound, that was glycerol, formaldehyde and one more it was completed, that was aniline. Today just we will start acetone. Acetone, this part you can see on the board. According to that I will do the experiment. Aniline compound number I had given C16. Practical number you will write according to your convenience, whatever is required. And that practical I will take a test tube, and this test tube I hold it by test tube holder. Now acetone, I will take the acetone, and this acetone, see that 1 to 2 ml of acetone I will take it in this. So this one quantity of acetone is in my test tube, that is completely colorless. There is no color. Now in this I will add 1 ml of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, all of you know that 1 ml of half of that sodium hydroxide. And after this, what we have to do, 2-3 drops of nitroprusside solutions. That solutions is already made by the ma'am. I will just take it 2-3 drops of nitroprusside solution. You can change, see that color will be changed. And this change of color we have to gently heat. After that you can see that after 2 minutes heat gently. So 2 minutes I will just shake it. It will be better. Shake it in 2 minutes and then I will just heat that. And color, if I will ask you the color of that, you can say ruby red color. Red color, but ruby red color. Now this ruby red color fades to yellow. Whenever I will heat that, fades, not complete yellow, fades to yellow. And we are going to the water bath. Just I will heat that. No, water bath, all of you have seen that water bath. We have wherever organic practicals, we are just using that and heating on that place at a temperature of 60 to 80-90 degree. Just this test tube, I just dip it inside and gently heat means slowly I have to heat that. Result I will show you. Result you can see, just give me time. In this thermometer, temperature is near about 75 degree. It should not be less than 60, not more than 90. And I told you, fades yellow color, fades up into yellow color. You can see that. Lower part is ruby red, upper part is fades yellow color. And if I will shake it once, try to mix them. Little more heating I will do. It will be separate itself. Ruby red color and yellow color. I will try, I will shake it. Color, 2 layers of the color will come. One of the layer is fades yellow color. One of the layer will come red, ruby red color. Now completely yellow color, now you can see. Fades yellow color and then if I will try to heat, and this color is completely ruby red color. See, heat is required. This one is the test of the acetone. No, we have done the test of acetone. Next one, second test. One test is not enough. You know that we have to do at least 2 to 3 tests. So I do the next test. I am just take another test tube. Another test tube holder. No. And according to this, you can see first of all, I have to take the C16. Similarly, I will take the C16 in a test tube. That quantity should be 1 ml to 2 ml, right? And after that, according to given instruction, 2-3 crystals of iodine. Ma'am, she is giving me iodine. She had already given me 2-3 crystals of iodine. I'll just add this iodine, 2-3 crystals of iodine. See that conditions. This reaction is going on. It will take time. It will take time. Reaction is going on. Add sodium hydroxide. Add sodium hydroxide. You can see that. Now I will add sodium iodine dilute NaOH. Quantity is not given, but quantity I will take the quantity not more than 1 ml. Shake it. Brown color will disappear. You have seen brown color, it has to disappear. If it will not disappear, I will add little more amount of sodium hydroxide. That brown color should disappear. Now we have to gently heat. No, and a smell will come. That smell I didn't write on the board, but that smell, characteristics smell will come. Ester type of a smell. You are not in this place. That is why I didn't write on that place. But yellow crystals of iodophore are formed. That you can see there. Just I am going to do the gently heat. Whenever you will do organic chemistry on that time, be careful because most of the organic compounds are corrosive in nature, poisonous, etc., etc. No, I am not touching a single one. Ma'am, she touched that iodine. Iodine not that much dangerous, but in spite of that, she will wash her hand properly just after that practical. Gently heating is going on. Gently heating is going on. We will give time, and after that, we will take. I will tell you my observation. You can see observation yourself also in the test tube. Must be just little time is required. I am doing very fast. You can't do. For you, this one is too much tough. You can't control the reaction. Because bubbles will come. Now you can see whatever color I told you. I am doing little fast, and Just little slow, just gradually color will come better. Gradually color will come better because I just heated it till near about 70 degree. Oh, more than 70, 75 degree. If it will come at 60, perfect color will come. Because sometimes we have to hit 90 degree, 80 degree. So always it is too much difficult to reduce and increase. That increase we can do. Reduce we have to do in the outside. Now you can see that yellow color. Iodine yellow. This one is iodine. No. One more practical I will do of this acetone. And just I can clear this one on this place. What will be happen later on I will show you. Next practical I wrote it there. Once more acetone. I will take one more test tube. And during the examination, I will also provide you 5 test tubes. Don't worry. Sir, you are using so many test tubes. You are not giving us more than 2 in the school and in examination. This one you can see. Acetone, 1 to 2 ml acetone is there. 2-3 crystals of iodine, ma'am, she will give me. She had given me 2-3 crystals of iodine, and my duty is I add this iodine. Same ruby color will come. Bas, red ruby color will come. Now, previously I had taken sodium hydroxide. Now I will take ammonium hydroxide. Both of these are alkali. One is strong, another one is weak alkali. That you know that. And this quantity, I didn't write quantity, but at least what we have to do, try to add this, and now we have to shake it. We have to shake it continuously. We have to shake it. Constant shaking. If I stop the shaking, no experiment, that means I am doing mistake with this experiment. That becomes colorless. This do not becomes colorless because weak alkali. Now what we have to do? Warm, heat gently. This black PPT on heating will change into the yellow on cooling. First of all I heat, that will be black, and then I cool, it will be changed into yellow. Whenever I will heat, it will be black. I am going to heat that. Disappear. Nothing is in this place. It should be completely disappear. Now, after some times, yellow color will come. Cooling, if you are too much hurry, then we can do the ice box, etc. Otherwise, slowly, gradually, we have to leave it, and that yellow color will come. For that, you have to wait. Don't think that just you do experiment, and because I told you that black will remove, colorless, and then yellow color will come. You can see that gradually yellow color is coming. Whatever gradually it will be changed into, temperature will decrease, and yellow color will come. It will take near about 10 minutes time. This is the wrong method. I should not do, but all of you are thinking that how much time sir will take. That is why I am doing this one, because gradually it should be cool. This wrong method, please you don't do in the examination. Now from the bottom part you can see. And this is completely a slow reaction. I am keeping on this place. Whenever I will start my second practical, on that time I will show you. But yellow color, changing into the yellow color, that you can see. Changing into the yellow color, that you are agree of that yellow color. This is completely slow reaction. It can take 10 minutes to half an hour. And this slow reaction will take 10 minutes to half an hour. In spite of that yellow portion you can see. This is the confirmatory test of the acetone. That means acetone part is completed. Writing part I will send you in your classroom. Whatever I will send you, that you will write in your practical file. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.